friends, it's Melita here, and my goal is for you to discover how awesome a Facebook post party can be for your direct sales business. Imagine making money while you're sitting on your couch in your PJs with Facebook doing half the work for you. Yes, that magic is what we call a Facebook post party. Hey, beautiful friends, it's Melita here, and my goal is for you to discover how awesome a Facebook post party can be for your direct sales business. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to host a successful Facebook post party, step by step, so that you can grow your customer base, get more orders, and simplify the party process. So let's jump into it. Okay, step number one, understand what a Facebook post party really is. A Facebook post party is an online, fully scheduled party that runs into a private Facebook group. You don't have to show up live. You don't have to be in a specific place at a specific time. You simply schedule posts, and those are like pictures of your products and so forth. Okay. Usually 30 to 50 of them, and spread them over a few days or up to a week. Those posts should feature your favorite popular products, your host's program, and your company's opportunity. This type of party works for any direct sales company and is one of the easiest ways to work your business around your life. All right, let's check out step number two. We got to create that party group. Set up a private Facebook party just for your hostess and give it a fun name and add her into it. Then grab the link in the share section and share that with your hostess so she can invite people through Messenger or text. This sets the foundation for the entire party. Step number three, coach your hostess and encourage her to invite at least 50 or more guests. Here's a secret. The more people she invites, the better the results. Not all guests will engage, so aiming for at least 50 gives you enough activity to create momentum. Encourage her, cheer her on, and reward her when she hits 50 guests in her group. Hostess enthusiasm is everything. Now, step number four, we want to welcome every guest as they join. Every time someone joins into the guest group, you want to post something fun, something colorful, a welcome message in the group and tag them in it. By doing this, this triggers Facebook notifications, which will bring your guests back into the group, meaning more eyes on your post and more potential orders. Welcome posts warm up the audience even before the party begins. Step number five, let's warm up the group before posting starts. Give your hostess a couple days to add people. During that peak time, introduce yourself with a photo, maybe even go live in that Facebook group, post your digital catalog, and if you have a website link that your customers can go and order on, make sure you post that in the comments. Create a little buzz and a connection. And remember, Facebook does not like links or dollar signs in the main text. So keep those in your comments, okay? Step number six, pre-schedule all of your posts. And this is where the magic happens. The cool thing is you can use Facebook's schedule post feature to load the entire party of posts into that feature ahead of time. That means you can be cooking dinner, watching TV, or enjoying time with your family, and the party is still happening automatically. You work smarter, not harder. Step number seven, let's add the shopping link to your website to every post so it's easy for your guests to shop. Post the hostess's shopping link in the comments of every post. That way, every order automatically can count towards your hostess rewards. The easier you make the ordering process, the more people will order. Step number eight, boost engagement on every post. Engagement draws visibility. The more comments, the more Facebook pushes the post to the front of their feed. So make sure you comment, your hostess comments, and she gets a couple close friends to comment too. Posts with conversation get seen more, and that leads to bigger sales and bigger hostesses and team building. Step number 9, use a winning Wednesday to get leads and to get new bookings. Do something fun midweek, like have a winning winning Wednesday. You can go live and pick a winner and or post your a winner graphic and tag them. Give the winners that you choose a little gift, maybe a product, maybe some samples, or a coupon that they can use at their party. Pay attention to who interacts with the posts and who interacts with the post about products so that you can answer their questions. The posts about being a hostess so that you can reach out to them and give a little bit more information about the benefits of hosting a party, and also the people who like the posts or comment on the posts about your company's opportunity. Those are what we call warm leads because we want to follow up with them. They connected and kind of sharing with you what they're interested in. Step number 10, this is the final day, follow up. On the last day of the party, personally message every guest and say something like, hey, today is Susie's party final day. Is there anything you'd like to grab to support Susie towards her hostess credit? Now, some people don't understand how to order, so you might have to offer them some help, and you may even have to place the order for them. And remember, if you're not Facebook friends, you need to make sure that you leave a comment in the group, especially when people are liking or commenting or whatever, and leave them a little comment that just says, hey, I sent you, hey, Brenda, or hey, Becky, I sent you a message. Check your message requests. That way, she'll be sure to see it because if they're not your friends, they may not get a notification. Your closeout day is often your biggest sales day. So if you're new to Facebook parties, I just want to put this in here. Don't judge the type of party, like Facebook parties work or they don't work. Just judge the party based on the results after you've had quite a few parties. Some parties will absolutely blow your mind with how many orders that you receive. And some, you may sell absolutely nothing. But the goal is consistency. The more parties you do, the better your results and the stronger your business become. Remember, success loves repetition. If this has helped you and give you more information about how Facebook post parties work, please do me a favor. Make sure that you like this video and push the subscribe with the little bell to remind you when a new video is posted. And be sure to share this with a direct sales buddy. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you gain confidence by doing. And I think you will be shocked at how awesome these parties can be for your direct sales business. All right, that's it for me. You've got this, and I'm cheering you every step of the way. Have a great direct sales day. Talk to you soon. Bye.